And welcome to Hit the Mark Trading's daily TF Russell's 2000 Futures Review. My name is Martin Rimes. Today's date, Tuesday, January 14, 2014. I'd like to ask you to please check out hitthemarktrading.com. You can go to the contacts page, sign up for blog updates, and you can also sign up for Rooster Call. Now, Rooster Call is my morning email I send to clients before the U.S. market index is open and stocks start trading. And basically I'm looking at the futures and looking at the stocks, looking at newswire reports, what's happened on the fundamental side, and presenting a very brief synopsis just for us to be in awareness. So I send this to clients every morning. I'd like to send it to you for free. Now remember, everything I mention in this video is for your educational purposes only. Okay, well, here's the daily chart. And, what can we say? We're still in that strong trend and momentum market. So we came down close to our indicator and we popped back up. Have we really done anything in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 days? Have we really made any change? Nothing substantial. No, we have not. Okay? All right. Market's still looking for some kind of catalyst. Let me move these lines a little bit. Okay. Now, this is a buy signal, this diagonal trend line break on the daily. It is a trend trade. So you probably want to see price move above the high of last Monday. Okay? And our expectation, well, resistance is up here at 1166.4. So this is our initial expectation. Perhaps we'll test the top of the channel line. Okay? Take a look at the weekly real quick. Nothing much has changed. Gosh, we're still up here butting up against the top. Just, levitated up here. Can't seem to make any headway in 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. Granted, only 2 days to this week so far. Eventually, we're going to see that drop. It will come, but at this point in time, with this kind of reading, very strong trend, extremely. And down here, we're also told very strong momentum. Okay, let's look at the intraday. I'd like to recap what we talked about yesterday. Remember, we said, well, if we get going to the downside, we're going to come to this level. And if we go to the top, we already knew where we're going to go. And I said that we'd just probably go to this level right here, right? Remember that? Why was that? Because of all of this over here. Do you see how long price had been stuck in this range? So it's a pretty easy bet. Whoops, get this back. It was a pretty easy bet to say that price, if we start going back up, it's going to simply want to go back up to the same range. This is like an ebb and flow of the market, up and down to support and resistance. That's all it is. Okay? So the trade of the day started with this right here. We do this every single day. Diagonal trend line break. Okay? That signal there and this signal right here. A 1-2 punch. So that was our signal to go long, and very well. Okay? And it's easy to say, well, in hindsight, you can just point this out. Let me tell you, we do this every single day. So you've got to have the ability to have a stop below the recent low and then just trail the stop. And I never have any expectation this is going to be the trade of the century. I expect we're going to the next floor pivot. That's it for tonight. Okay, let me set this up for tomorrow real quick. Now, it's Wednesday morning trading. Not much is going on. So again, we're close to the floor pivot. And your expectations should be that we're going to pop up here. We're going to pop down if we start going down here. Obviously, we can go lower. Now, if you look at what happened last week on Monday, same thing. Take it down. And then the rest of the week, they took it up. Okay? So, history tends to repeat. This market is certainly grasping at any reason to go higher and hesitating to go lower. So, because of the trend and momentum, because of today's action, we need to take out the high of Monday and then we'll stand a pretty good chance to go to this level. So let's just look at the daily real quick. What was the high on Monday? We had 1162. Okay, we're just right there. So our first line in the sand, our resistance is 1166.4 on the daily. Let me look at this again. 1166.4. Okay, and this is 1165. So this is going to be, I feel pretty good about this one, okay? Because it's a simple retest of the high. Okay? If any kind of catalyst comes out, they'll get excited and take it to the next level. But most likely, we're probably going to just test this area right here. It's a pretty good sure thing. Let's draw some lines on price. Hard to say sure thing when you're trading. I know that. Okay. Draw another line. Okay. So we got to break out of this wedge. Got to break out of the wedge. Okay. We break down, you know where we're going, 1150. We break up, you know where we're going, 1165. Okay. Obviously we can go higher.